Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something special lined up for all you RV enthusiasts out there. We're diving deep into what might just be the best RV running lights on the market. I'm talking about the LEACHOI LED Trailer Side Marker Running Clearance Signal Lights. Whether you're upgrading your RV, trailer, boat, or even your truck, these lights promise to deliver both style and functionality. Let's get into it. First off, let's talk about what you get with the LEACHOI LED trailer lights. In the box, you receive a total of 10 lights, 5 in red and 5 in amber. This variety is perfect for different applications, whether you need clear markers for your trailer or amber signals for enhanced visibility on the road. Plus, they come with 10 sets of mounting screws and bolts, ensuring a secure installation. Now, let's dive into the build quality. These lights are crafted using ABS plastic for the housing and as lampshades. What does that mean for you? Well, it ensures durability and weather resistance. The ultrasonic welding technology used in their construction makes them robust and waterproof, perfect for outdoor use in all conditions. Installation is straightforward too. Each light comes with 3 wires, black for the ground, and 2 others for different lighting intensities. Whether you're outfitting a truck, RV, boat, or any other vehicle, the process is hassle-free. No need to be an expert, just follow the simple instructions included. Now, let's talk about performance. These LED lights operate efficiently between 10 to 30 volts, which is ideal for most vehicle electrical systems. They provide a clear, bright light that enhances visibility and safety on the road. Whether you're driving at night or in adverse weather conditions, these lights ensure you're seen by others. Speaking of safety, one standout feature is their versatility. From trucks to RVs, trailers to boats, these lights fit seamlessly into any setup. They're designed to be a universal fit, making them a practical choice for anyone looking to upgrade their vehicle lighting without breaking the bank. So, wrapping it up, if you're in the market for top-notch RV running lights that deliver on both style and performance, look no further than the LEACHOI LED Trailer Side Marker Running Clearance Signal Lights. With durable construction, easy installation, and excellent customer support, they're a solid choice for any vehicle enthusiast. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.